Good morning, dear students. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter that is time and motion. Okay, now, firstly, in this chapter, we should know what is measurement. Measurement is that numerical quantity of an object or event which can be used to compare with other object or event. And measurements they are expressed using standard quantities and standard units. Physical quantities like length, mass, time, capacity, temperature, they are measured using different instruments and all have definite unit. Okay? Now, we will in this chapter we will study about what is time and measurement of time. Time is measured by using clock, watches, and clocks and watches they make use of a periodic motion. The periodic motion we have studied in our sixth class, that what is periodic motion. We will repeat it again. Measuring time is necessary in our daily life. If we don't measure time, it would be difficult for us to set our goals, okay, in our daily life. So for this we need to measure time. In the ancient time, there was absence of accurate time measurement, okay. Only uh, they estimate the time and measure it. Our ancestors they use sundials, water clocks, sand clocks to measure the time. But the period of time between and they also use the period of time between sunset and the sunrise. Thus, natural events like sunrise, sunset, phases of moon, all are used to measure the estimated time. As I told you before, that watches used today make use of periodic motion. One of the most well-known periodic motion is that of a simple pendulum. Okay, pendulum clock is based on motion of a pendulum, a simple pendulum which consists of a weight called a bob hanging from a string. Here in the figure we can see a simple pendulum. इसमें एक metallic ball है which is known as bob, and this bob is suspended by a rigid stand or a thread. When the bob of a pendulum is released after taking it slightly to one side, तो ये to and fro move करता है, okay. This to and fro motion of a simple pendulum is an example of a periodic motion or an oscillatory motion. Means the position of the bob when it is at rest, उसको mean position कहते हैं, okay. If we move the bob away from its mean position, उसको displace करते हैं तो and we let it go, the bob moves in to and fro motion. So in this figure we can see O is the mean position, okay. उसको B तक position में move किया, then it goes back to O, then towards A, then it come back to O, and then it comes back to B. So this is to and fro motion, and this is known as one oscillation. The pendulum completes one oscillation when its bob moves to from one extreme position A पे जाए, then it comes back to B, then it comes back to A. तो ये पूरा एक oscillation होता है. Next is, and this type of motion is known as जो regular interval पे होता है time के, this is known as a periodic motion. Now time period, it is a time taken by a pendulum to complete one oscillation. मतलब pendulum जब एक oscillation complete करता है, then that time is known as time period, okay. And the oscillatory motion of a pendulum is also an example of periodic motion. बस पेंडुलम अपने पीरियोडिक मोशन में रिपीट करता है और वापस अपने फिक्स्ड पोजीशन पे आता है, फिक्स्ड टाइम इंटरवल पे वो मूव करता है, ओके. सो इट इज़ ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ पेंडुलम इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द लेंथ ऑफ द पेंडुलम की कितनी लेंथ है पेंडुलम की, and not on the displacement of the वेट ऑफ द बॉब। वेट पे नहीं डिपेंड करता कि उसके जो बॉब अटैच्ड है वो कितना उसका वेट है, बट इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन इट्स लेंथ, कि पेंडुलम की लेंथ कितनी है, क्योंकि पेंडुलम की लेंथ जो है वो टेक्स द सेम टाइम टू कंप्लीट वन ऑसिलेशन। जितनी लेंथ है ये हमेशा गिव्स द सेम टाइम। एंड दिस ऑब्जर्वेशन लेड टू द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पेंडुलम क्लॉक्स। और पेंडुलम क्लॉक पीरियोडिक मोशन को फॉलो करती है, and it is used to move the hands of the clock that indicates time. The SI unit of time is second और उसका सिंबल होता है S। जो स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट है टाइम की वो है सेकेंड्स, एंड द अदर यूनिट्स में भी हम उसको मेजर कर सकते हो। अगर शॉर्टर पीरियड है टाइम का तो उसको हम सेकेंड्स में करते हैं, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है तो उसको मिनट्स में, और उससे भी ज़्यादा टाइम है तो आवर्स में। अब ये यूनिट्स दे रखी हैं और उनके कन्वर्जन्स भी बता रखे हैं इसके अंदर। ओके।